back to another video. As you can tell, it's fall. It's really cold. All the fog behind me, so gonna see if we can catch some fish and have a good time with the family, so stay tuned. It's the first time on the lake with the new Corrado DC. I don't know if you guys know about this reel. Sorry if my voice is a little muffled. I'm just wearing the mask because it's a bit cold. But I hope you can hear that sound from the Corrado. Switched up from the Whopper popper. Now throwing a Guggen baits, 3/8 ounce spinnerbait with swim bait on the back. Fall season, so they should jump on it. So let's see. Just slow retrieving it right now. Just making the blades do all the work. That's what it looks like in the water. So just letting the lure do all the work. Look how beautiful that is. If you're not into fishing, man, you're missing out just on this alone. You don't even have to fish, man, but just being out here with all that stuff that's going on. Beautiful. They are shallow. One of them just attacked it, so now I know just to go real shallow. Hey boys, nice size guy. Don't jump, don't jump. First smallie of the day on top water, so I'll be throwing the top water all day today almost. So time to let this bad boy go. Another one on top water. Could put him in the live well and bring him back so we can let him go around our area. First fish on the Guggen spinner. It's a nice size one too. Oh, he's a nice size one. Oh, he choked it. He choked it. The Guggen spinnerbait. He choked. Oh, he didn't. It just missed him. Look at that. Guggen zinger. So I've got two in the live well that we're gonna show my daughter. Oh god. I seen it. That's crazy. See if it happens again. I cast it into the lily pads. As I see the blade spinning, I see something attack it. I set the hook. It just came off, so just trying again. That was nice. Time to let both these guys go. Goodbye, buddies. So I just let go all the two big smallmouths. Then I had in the live boat to show my daughter. I was out for a while, so I didn't want to harm the fish, so I let them go right beside some nice rock. And yeah, you gotta make sure the fish is safe first. Took a couple of pictures. I didn't get a weigh in. I had them for too long, I think, so just put them right back. Yeah? What is that?
You got caught in a rock.
Yay!
That's the one that wins you a turn.
So this is the key right here, eh? Jerkbait.
Probably just cool little. I wouldn't be surprised if you get a bunch.
Oh wait. This guy's catching old fish. Hey, they're growing, eh?
Well, this wasn't put in here. This is a smaller fish.
Buddy, where's my fish?
Oh, walleye.
Sick.
I got, so let's see here. I got a large roast and a cigar.
You want to put in the live or you want to eat it or no?
No.
Yeah, I'm scared, man, to grab a fish now.
Why?
After what happened to my thumb? It like I didn't feel nothing go in. I just felt like pressure on my hand because it tapped my hand, right? But breaking that barb was like the worst thing in the world.
This is the smallest walleye I've caught perch bigger than this.
Yeah, that is pretty small. I want to show you guys this on the drone. Such a beautiful thing to see. This is fall season in Muskoka, so by next week we come up, you won't see the trees this color. So I'm just going to take full advantage of it, get some nice shots on the drone. Hopefully you'll enjoy. guys, that's it for the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Hope you guys all saw the beautiful colors of the leaves. About to go store the boat back. I'm not taking it out. Next week I'll probably take it out and winterize it, clean it, and get it ready for the next year. So yeah, so hope you all enjoyed this video. Much more to come. We got ice fishing videos, car shows, and yeah, hope we all have a good time, and I hope you all stay safe during this pandemic. But yeah, keep fishing and stay elevated. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.